Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from France, and I was there for treatment in a natural life for 21 days. It's a friend that an Indian friend that gave me the information of this place, and I can say that there are big changes. I feel very good. I feel good energy. I feel if like my organs were renovated, rejuvenated. I feel younger. I feel strong. I feel also my mind is clear. My emotions are more peaceful, and my body has got more strength. What I feel is that I feel light, and the light in the two meanings of the word. Light for contrary of darkness, and light for contrary of heavy. So I'm very happy. People here are very nice, very skilled, very kind. Um, Very cheerful. The place is so beautiful. We can have walks. Um, it's sweet beauty, and it's marvelous. Come